Image courtesy of Sombai. Sombai's workshop, location on Google Maps, set in a traditional Khmer wooden house, offers a modern take on a heritage tipple. Marrying the traditional Cambodian sraa tram, soaked wine, with modern flavored rums, Sombai sells the result in hand-painted bottles, or serves it in cocktails for your pleasure. About 8 flavored liqueurs make up Sombai's product line. The tasting parlor allows you to taste and pick your favorite flavor combination. From the Pina-colada-inspired coconut and pineapple, to the fiery ginger and red chili liqueur, no two products have the same flavor or impact on your taste buds. To get the most out of your visit to Sombai, book a tour from their website. You'll be guided through their workshop and infusion room to see the liqueurs, and the bottles, come to life, then taste samples of all available flavors. Come in sober, leave riding that sraa tram buzz. Find out more about getting drunk in Southeast Asia.